my god, why it smells cigarette? Pillar 11. There is a breakfast already. A breakfast?
No, we don't have breakfast.
Just lunch.
Yeah. Just lunch and dinner.
Okay, so I think I'll be eating here. So this is the menu. So dito tayo kakain. Good morning from Vietnam. I am here at northern part of Vietnam, which is Hanoi. So I'll be staying here for a week to explore Sapa, Hanoi, and Halong Bay. And today it's Saturday, and I think it's already 11 a.m. And dumating na ako dito sa Vietnam around 7:14. In fairness sa Vietnam Airline, they are true to their schedule. Kasi nakalagay dun is, umalis talaga kami around 5:20 a.m. And expected arrival is around 7:15 in the morning, which is true. Nandito na talaga kami ng 7:15. So, hindi ako masyadong nag-film sa airport kasi ginawa ko muna lahat ng dapat kong gawin since it's my first time here in Vietnam. Ang pinuna kong ginawa is, of course, right after the immigration, naghanap na ako agad ng ATM where I can withdraw my money. And then I bought my own SIM card. Super easy eh. Sobrang easy niya. I'm not really sure guys if you can hear me kasi ang ingay talaga. Literal. Walang halong filter. So, sabi ng may-ari ng cafe, ganito daw talaga yung normal days dito sa Vietnam. Sobrang ingay. Which is, nakakagising. Lalo na sa kagaya mo na medyo wala kang tulog. By the way, dapat magmo-morning breakfast ako from International Airport to Hanoi Garden Restaurant, one of the Michelin restaurants here in Hanoi. Kaya lang, hindi updated yung website, yung Google, kasi sa Google, ang sabi, they are open already for 10 a.m. which is exact time na nandito na ako sa Hanoi. Pero pagdating ko doon kanina, they only serve lunch at around 11 a.m. and dinner. They don't serve breakfast anymore. So I have to walk. Napili ko kasi yung Hanoi restaurant or Hanoi Garden Restaurant kasi yung pick up sa akin na limousine from Hanoi to Sapa, dun mismo yung pick up location. Hindi na ako nahihirapan. Pero dahil wala silang breakfast, I really have to search location. And I am currently here in a cute aesthetic restaurant. And it's not a restaurant, it's actually a cafe. I think they're also one of the Michelin. Banh mi. Masarap. kanina wala pang tao, kaya sabi ko, pwede ba ako dito mag-film, mag-vlog? They allowed me naman. Kaya lang dumami yung tao, nahiya ako. Pero hindi, trabaho, let's do this. And I wanted to share to you guys, talaga, I'm drinking Vietnamese coffee. And nangalahati na yung van ko. And I'm thankful dito kasi yung cafe owner or the cashier, he's very true kasi nalito ako sa paggamit ng currency nila. Sobrang nalito ako. I'm paying a lot. Oh my God. Tapos sabi niya, no, it's more than enough. The only thing is that they don't speak much English. So, kailangan talagang iintindihin mo. So, pwede ko kanina nagbabayad ako ng sobra. Tapos sabi ko, parang kulang na yung pera ko. Pero yung pala, nagbabayad ako ng 100,000 Vietnamese dollar for a 82,000 na pagkain. So, akala ko magbabayad ako ng 80. Nalito talaga ako, nalito. Or wala pa talaga akong tulog. Kaya gano'n. Ma-share ko lang, no? Kasi, sana naririnig niyo ako, no? Wala kasi akong microphone. Ma-share ko lang, no? From International Airport, Hanoi International Airport, nag-grab ako. I didn't take the bus going to Old Quarter, Hanoi, because first, ayoko ma-stress. Kasi maligaw ako, and mahirap maligaw na may mga luggage bag, di ba? So, nag-grab ako. The moment na nag-open ako ng Grab car, I have this promo code which gives me discount as well. Kasi nga first time ko sa Hanoi, and it's affordable lang like Philippines. And then, the good thing I found using Grab car instead of bus is because may mga dinadaanan yung Grab car na hindi nadadaanan ng bus, obviously. And that made me familiarize with the street. Kaya kanina, hindi ako nag-worry na lakaran or lumakad ng malayo dun sa Hanoi Garden Restaurant. Lalo na nung nalaman ko na sarado sila. Hindi ako nag-worry. So, sabi ko, okay, madali lang pala siya bye-bye. And, ang nanibago lang ako is yung the way they horn their cars and their motorbikes. Ang lakas. Sobrang lakas. Nakala mo bubungsin ka na nila. Tapos, since I've mentioned to you guys that I will be going to Sapa and I'm taking limo, there are 3 ways to go to Sapa. One is the train. So from International Airport, I think you have to travel all the way to the train station. That's quite adventurous actually. But I didn't choose it kasi first, hindi ko alam. Parang gusto ko siya pero hindi siya yung, kasi more, hindi ko explain pero hindi ko siguro familiar pa yung lugar. Natatakot ako na baka mapunta ako sa ganitong lugar, tapos may mga luggage ako, alam mo, tapos magahol ako sa oras. Yun, isa pa yun. Yung time travel. Yun yung isa sa mga gusto kong maximize. Kasi it's gonna like the entire day 1 ko is more of traveling talaga. Kaya nag-sit down vlog ako sa inyo para lang, you know, nalagyan ng content. Kasi more likely travel lang talaga tayo. So that's the train, the one. You can also book the train tickets via Klook. And another thing is the sleeper bus, which is very famous. Yung sleeper bus, they can actually pick you up right after mo lumabas ng airport. Hindi ko lang siya binook kasi may motion sickness ako. And mahihiluhin ako. So, they said it's convenient, but for someone na may motion sickness, and nakita ko yung interior kasi ng majority ng mga sleeper bus, medyo masilaw yung lightning nila sa loob. And to think that I will be lying inside the bus for 6 hours, may nakita din ako na medyo shaky yung inside the bus. So sabi ko na lang na I don't wanna take the risk because I will be staying here for quite a while, and mahirap magkasakit pag solo traveler. Iba pa naman umatake yung migraine ko. So, in-skip ko siya. And the best one for me is the limousine. Limousine, 9 passengers lang talaga yung accepted niya. And I booked the VIP one kasi sa gitna siya. At least hindi ako mahihiluhin doon kasi the way they position, it's like I'm inside the car. Kasi niya. And it's almost the same amount as sleeper bus. The only difference is that, yun na nga, kaya ako nandito sa Old Quarter Hospital kasi I have to travel from International Airport 30 minutes down to the pick-up location. Hindi sila nag-pick up sa mismong airport. But at least, I get to explore the half of the, not half, portion of Old Quarter and enjoying the food. So, dalawa yung schedule nila. One in the morning, which is 7:30 a.m. And then the other one is 2:30 a.m. So, kaya yun. And then now I'm enjoying my food. Walang stress. Which is, yun yung talagang gusto ko. Kaya ako mas stress sa travel. And then, nag-inform lang ako sa hotel na malilate check-in ako, which they allowed. So, ayan. Yun yung ganap ko today. I'm just enjoying my food. And then maybe I'll bring some food inside the Ligo because I'm not pretty sure if there's a stopover. Maganda dito. Tsaka ang mura. Nakailang order na ako. So, ayan. Later, papakita ko sa inyo yung picture ng limousine ko. I'll enjoy eating muna. Sana talaga naririnig niyo ako noon. Medyo nahihiya pa ako magsalita kasi kanina solo ko yung cafe. Pero ngayon, marami ng tao. May 5... Actually, may mga umuwi na ngayon. May 5 tao dito currently. Let's eat muna. Masarap yung banh mi nila. It's nice. They recommended the barbecue banh mi. So, gusto ko yung interior. May malaking window sa harap ko. And you can see the people keep passing by. Masaya siya. Parang ipakompare ko siya sa Chinatown or Quiapo. Pero mas maayos siya. Kasi isang hilera niya talaga. Puro travel agency and then the coffee shop, the cafe. Maganda yung location nitong restaurant, nitong cafe. Kasi parang tea section siya. Tapos nandun siya mismo sa tea section. Nandun siya mismo. So, nakikita mo talaga yung view. How Vietnam in the morning looks. Let's eat it. ito yung limousine. So, ito yung limousine van and I booked it through Klook. VIP seats. I'll be sitting here just next to the driver. This will take about 6 hours drive to Sapa. I am now on my way to Sapa and I book limousine via Klook and look how convenient it is. We're just going to pick up some of the passengers pa. Almost same price lang siya ng sleeper van. Mas pinili ko to kasi sa sleeper van kasi baka ma-trigger yung migraine ko. Meron pa naman ako motion sickness. And eto medyo komportable and convenient siya for me. 6 hours going to Sapa.